Hello, friends. Welcome to our enchanting world of balcony place. Immerse yourself in the art of transforming ordinary balconies into extraordinary heavens of serenity and style. Join us on a journey where creativity meets nature and teeny spaces become lush escapes. Discover inspiring tips, dye projects, and curated design ideas that will elevate your outdoor retreat. From cozy seating arrangements to vibrant plant plates, we are here to guide you in creating your dream balcony oasis. Explore enchanting balcony transformations with our YouTube channel. Immerse yourself in a world of beautiful balcony decor ideas where we share creative tips, dye projects, and stylish inspirations to turn your outdoor spaces into stunning oases. Elevate your balcony living experience with our curated content and transform your small outdoor heaven into a place of beauty and relaxation. Subscribe now and let the magic unfold as we redefine the boundaries of balcony decoration and inspire you to make the most of your outdoor heaven. Your sanctuary in the sky awaits. Let's embark on this aesthetic adventure together. Thanks for watching my video.